how to use dual messenger apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. So you will see advanced features is here, so click on advanced features. Now here, so click on scroll down to and you will see dual messenger is here, so click on dual messenger. So if you want to use dual messenger apps, so if you want to use, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, go back to home screen. You will see WhatsApp as app is too. So if you, so again click on the messenger app, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see two apps is here. So after this one and this one, so after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use dual messenger apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.